getting your F1 visa denial. Your F1 visa was denied. It is a little bit disheartening, some people, their visa when denial, so it may be a very, very disheartening. But here in this video, I will discuss step-by-step guide. If you are denial, that is not the end of the role. I am going to guide you step by step here in this video, and I'm sure when you will follow these steps and when you will avoid these all the steps, so you can easily, I'm sure you can prove your visa again when you will apply, reapply, and when you will go with improved documents, so you can easily approve your visa. Step number one is a little bit I'm talking about understanding when you will get your denial letter, your refusal letter, your rejection letter. So make sure understand the reason for denial. The first thing that you need to do that why your visa is denied. The consular officer will provide you the reason under the section 214B denial of the Immigration National Act. So it means often related to insufficient ties with your home countries. Make sure you clearly review the reason provided. Don't compare yourself with others. Only focus on your preparation, only focus on that particular reason that why visa officer denied my visa. And step number two is review your application and document. Go to the application and supportive document. Identify any weaknesses and inconsistency. Financial documents and your academic plan. Review all of your documents carefully. So step number three is like collect additional document. What are the additional documents that I can add? Strong bank statement and add some more financial document and compare with previous, and also focus on your preparation interview. Step four is reapply for the visa. Sometime your visa is denied and you end and close your goal. So it is costly, I know, but don't close your goal. Go for preparation, go for your financial document, and go or make your position like that if you will follow these all the steps and you will make a strong home ties. So then maybe you can get your visa again and again. There is a lot of my client, they are denied so many times, but they really didn't lose their hope, and they know in America and they are studying there in USA. Some people, they have got their visit visa, but after 3 or 4 or 5 attempts. But here, if you will follow these all the steps, step by step, if you will follow these guidance, if you will improve these all your preparation, your financial document, your strong home ties, your bank statement, so you can easily improve your visa, improve your preparation, improve document, and improve your preparation. And step number 5 is hire a professional experienced immigration attorney or educational consultant. They can guide you they can guide and prepare better. Then if you will apply by yourself, then maybe there is a lot, if you will mistake, there is a lot of things. If you will mistake any of them, you can deny your visa, they can refuse your visa in a second, in 2 or 3 seconds. But if you will follow these all the rules and regulations, if you will hire experienced immigration attorney, and if you will hire experienced education consultant, so you can easily improve your step-by-step process. If you need any help regarding this particular interview if your visa is denied, and if you want to approve your visa, and if you really want to make yourself and prepare yourself for this particular interview, you can contact me and you can buy our a visa interview guidance course as well. I can provide and I can help you. Don't forget to subscribe here in this video. You can easily manage and you can easily prepare yourself for free for a visa interview. And also, if you need a fully funded scholarship in different countries, and also if you need a job, our channel have a lot of video record. There are the fully funded scholarship. There is some vocational schools in Finland and Germany, and some job website provided in my channel and videos. When you'll go and listen this all the video, I'm sure you can easily make your career. And for now, it is enough, and I will bring a more informative video. Thanks and take care.